Alright class, let's get started here. So we are starting with Math25 C07 in the Introduction to Stats class. And let's go with it. So here's the thing, just a little bit about myself, just connecting name to face here. My name is Arkady Hunjiev. I've taught at West Coast College over 15 years. Before that I taught at an inner city high school. And I thoroughly enjoy teaching mathematics. I think it's super cool. And just real quick here, I went to Fresno City College, then I went to Fresno State to receive my bachelor's degree, and then I went to Fresno Pacific University to receive my master's degree. So that's my bio that I want to share with you guys here. On discussion board number 1, you guys get to share your bio and everything we want to share with the class, just to sort of get to know you better. Alright, with that said, let's go to the class itself here. So dashboard, now I want to go courses. It's Math25 C07, so I gotta find that one here. Oh, let me go do it this way. Let me do it the fast way for me here. Okay, so here it is. So if you're watching this video, you probably clicked on the introductory video and you're watching it now. That's cool. There's another video right here, and then a quick explanation about the instructions of the modules, how those came about, and what I think they're useful for them. With that, I introduced myself, and I would just want to jump to the syllabus here. So there's 2 different places you can find the syllabus. One, you can just click on the syllabus. When you click on the syllabus, you'll see this right here, and boom, you have a syllabus in a quick little web form for yourself here. If you click on the files menu, I'd encourage everybody to do this. Find the syllabus for the class, write lectures, syllabus, there it is, okay, and print it out, okay. But before we get to the syllabus here, I want to mention just one thing for you here. Notice it says September, October, November, and this one over here says December. What you want to do is you want to print these out. This is the schedule for the class if you want to see it in a PDF or Word form. So if you click on print from right now, what it's going to do is just going to print only the screen, and you don't want that. So what you want to do is you want to download first, and once you have it downloaded, then open it up and then print it out, because then you'll have the paper version of that. And so very useful. I'd print out for September, October, November, December, and have it with you there. Okay, so let me jump to where we're at here. Okay, the syllabus. Let's take a look at the syllabus together, and then we will be done with this video. And so again, if in order to do so, download it and then print it out, and you're good to go. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try this here. I'm going to just try to zoom in and just go for a minute here. So you are in Math25 C07 Fall 2023 semester, and we are online. Okay, it's the textbook for the class right here. I gave it to you as terms of authors, title, ESBN number as well. But the question always comes up is, Mr. Hunjiev, do we need a physical textbook in our hand? The answer is no. You do not need a physical textbook in your hand. The reason for it is because in the next video I'll show you that you do have the ebook already in the MyLab Math site. So that is totally fine there. Okay, but if you do need to get a textbook and want a textbook here, my suggestion, unless you're a math major or a statistics major, is just to go to a rental place for it here. So rent the book instead of buying it. A good place to go would be chegg.com. It's chegg.com. You can also go to textbooks.com. You can go to amazon.com. All those would actually carry this as a rental. Okay, so my name is Arkady Hunjiev. I am going to hold office hours for this class on, it doesn't say actually, Tuesdays. Sorry, Tuesdays from 2 to 5:30. I'm going to change that as soon as I'm finished here. Okay, office hour number, and then my email. Okay, so the prereqs for this class is that you were placed here or you passed intermediate algebra. Course objectives, I'm not going to cover those because those are things we're going to learn anyways here. So let's jump to student learning outcomes. Those are important. This is math teachers at Fresno at West Hills College, we get together and think about what are the 4 or 3 most important things to this class. And there they are. You will take an exam on this at the end of the semester. So more information on that as it's come. All right, next. Institutional learning outcomes. We'll skip those for now. So lectures. Here's the way I envision this class going. You have one of 2 choices. You can either go to the publisher website, click on their multimedia library, and search for video lectures. And there is a video lecture for each and every single section in the textbook. I also have made my own teaching videos. And you can go to YouTube, click on that little link there first. It'll be the playlist, and you have pretty much the whole entire class there at your disposal. So the way I see it is that you go to and get the PowerPoints, you print them out, and you follow me through the lecture, and then when you're ready, then you start your homework. All right, and homework here. Homework is going to be on the MyLab and Mastery site. Again, the second video explains how to get all that started. And then we'll also have our exams there. So the midterm exam is going to be there as well. The slow exam and then the final all going to be there. Let me check. I will check on that just to verify if it's. I think it's actually on Canvas, but I'll email you the more information on that here. Definitely the discussion boards are going to be on Canvas. All right. And attendance. Here's a very important. It is bold and underlined here. If you want to stay in the class, what you need to do is you need to email me the first day of class that you want to stay here. Also, what you got to do is you got to sign up for the MyLab by Wednesday. They do have a 14-day free trial, so before you have to pay, and yes, you do have to pay for the rest of the semester if you choose to stay, but they have a 14-day free trial, so for 2 weeks you get to try this class out. If you like me as an instructor, if you like the flow of the class, the pace of the class, how things are situated, stay by all means. But if you decide to stay, you would have to purchase this, and I believe it's like $90 to purchase this for the semester. All right, so $90 if you think you want to continue with the class, but they give you 14 days for free just to sort of see if this is right for you. All right, and there's some things about contacting me. Online offers hours we talked about. And then the only thing is also is the NC class. There's also a non-credit class that is a support class associated with this class. Please go to it. You guys are all registered for it. And there's just going to be modules there for you to do. And it's pretty much just easy pre-algebra and algebra stuff there, just for you guys to get a handle on things. The drop date, just so you be careful for it, is going to be the 8th of October, and if you do that, then it does not show up in your transcripts at all, as if you've never ever stepped foot in this class. The regular semester drop date for the class is 11/24, and that one allows you to get out with a W. And anybody that's staying after, I will have to give them a grade. All right, the scoring rubric, I'll let you guys look at that yourself. The only other thing I want to mention is if you do have a learning disability, please take the time to go to DSPS Services. Their phone number is here. They'll do a diagnostic test and see if you qualify with a learning disability. You'll get accommodations. And so that wraps up the syllabus. Hopefully that'll at least get you guys started here with that. And I do want to jump to the NC class just to show you. So this is NC 202 C07. It does have a syllabus here, but really what you're going to do is you're just going to go through each of these modules. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, each one of these are skills that you should have for statistics. And so what you want to do is you want to just go ahead and just go through a module. You can learn about it, and there's some videos there to learn if you actually just want to take the test and be done, because you already know the slope formula backwards and forwards. I suggest you at least kind of see what it entails before you start doing the test here. All right, so you are expected to finish up all these modules. I would say maybe like by the time we're halfway through the class. I mean, these are all prerequisite knowledge skills, so you should know these before taking the class. This is just to brush up on them. And so with that, okay, That's the NC class, and I wish you well in the class and enjoy being your teacher.